2024 Defender 90 hardtop HSE. So HSE's unbelievable spec. It's the commercial, 2 seats. But then look at it from the outside. So we've got full urban design. So we've got urban badging. You've got the undersections. You've got the wide arch kit. You've got the lights. You've got the 22-inch wheels. You've got the spoiler. It's then got the air suspension pack. So the car's got the 3-litre diesel engine, 250 horsepower, with the air suspension pack, with the HSE, with all this styling. The HSE gives you things like adaptive headlights, heated and cooled seats. Just spec that is very, very rare on a commercial. On top of that, it's a 24, it's done delivery miles, VAT qualifying, wide arch kit, 22s, the lights, it's got a contrasting black roof, and then even at the rear, look at it. It just doesn't even look like a commercial, does it? You've got the spoiler, you've got the gloss black around the rear bumpers, Urban Automotive spare wheel cover, and then look, it's a hardtop commercial. You've got the 2 big extras here. One is the air suspension, and the other one is the electric deployable Towbar. People wait years for cars like this. They order them, they want one looking like this, especially commercials. Obviously, the speed of new cars now is sped up, but when you want commercial hardtops like this, you can't just get them like this. We buy them, we sell them, because people just want to get something what looks unbelievable, but they can get it today. You can call us, get this car reserved, pick it up, you get your VAT invoice, it's a commercial, but it's something that looks absolutely superb. And look at the interior here. So you've got Meridian sound system, you've got memory seats, you've got full leather. And the leather, look at it, it's the softer Napa leather, which is part of the HSE. You've got the crossbeam, so it's got the darkened crossbeam throughout. And then you've got the white as well, so you can see it's got the contrast. So you've got the darker across here, the leather. You've got a heated steering wheel, you've got adaptive cruise. It's got the larger screen, you've got your digital cockpit, you've got the ClearSight camera. The spec is unbelievable on this little commercial. Heated wheel, the larger screen, then you've got all your lovely features on here as well. So you've got your 360 surround camera system, which is superb. You've got tow and assist with having the electric deployable tow bar. Seats, not just heated seats. Look at this. You've got cooled and you've got heated. And then you've got things like wireless Apple CarPlay. All your feet, look, the features are unbelievable on this car. Android Auto, 360 camera. Moving down here, air suspension, massive, massive option. Front and rear heated screens. But it's the finish. So when you sat in here, if you were to buy a non-commercial, and you wanted a HSE and you wanted high spec, this is what it's like. So you've got all this, but you've got it in a commercial. And then outside it looks absolutely superb. It's as good as you can get. Absolutely as good as you can get. They go live, they hit the website, this car's going live. It's a 24, you've got 3 years Land Rover warranty and assist. Massive spec, air suspension pack, HSE, 90 hardtop, but then it's got all them urban bits on it. What a car that is.